Hello everyone. This video is the second part of the lesson Flying High. This is lesson number 8 from the book Looking Around, textbook for class 3 environmental studies. In part 1 of the lesson Flying High, we dealt about how birds are different and the special features of the birds. Birds, as we all know, have feathers and wings which helps them to fly. They lay eggs. The chicks hatch from the eggs. They have 2 legs. Yes, birds also have ears. The ears are like holes. They are warm-blooded creatures. In part 1, we also dealt with the body parts of a bird. The different parts of the body of a bird like the eye, the head or the crown, the wings, beak, belly or the breast, the claws and the tail. We have learned that most of the birds can fly, but there are also some flightless birds. Their names were discussed in part 1. We also saw that birds have no teeth. They use their beaks. The beaks or the shape of the bird's beak depends on what it eats. They use their beak to bite, crush or tear the food. We also learned that birds have different types of feet. The feet of the birds are used for different needs, like to swim in the water, to hold the tree branches, to catch the prey, to climb the tree, to walk on the land. These things have been dealt in part 1. If you have missed, children, you can please watch my video on the lesson Flying High part 1 to understand the general features of birds. But at the end of this video, part 2, we will be able to observe and identify that birds are colorful but are different from each other, learn the names of some common birds, solve the riddles which are given in your NCERT book, and also identify the birds with the help of the riddles. Observe a bird near your house and report about what? About its movements, how it moves, the food it eats, and where does it live. Know some strange features of birds. Draw any bird, whichever you like, and also make paper birds. So let us go into the lesson. The first exercise from the NCERT book of the lesson Flying High is a lovely riddle. Let us try to do this. The first one, on my head I have a crest. Okay, on the head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. What is this bird? Yes, you can see the bird, the national bird of our country. Not only the peacock, we are also very proud, isn't it? Being an Indian, our national bird is such a beautiful bird. What is the name? Yes, got it right. It is peacock. The second riddle. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. What will be in this dash? Who is saying this? This is a dialogue box. Who is giving the dialogue? Yes, this bird is giving the dialogue. You can see this arrow. Yes, this arrow is towards this bird. This is how we read the dialogue box. Now, who is this bird which eats mice? Yes, got it right. Correct, it is eagle. Now, let us go to the third box. You can see the third box Here is the third box, and who is telling the arrow is towards this bird? Let us check what this bird is saying. My feathers are green, my beak is red. Guava and green chilies, I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Who am I? Who is this bird? Lovely. That is a parrot. Now the last box. This box is who is telling the dialogue? Is said by this bird. All the birds are talking, isn't it? What is this bird saying? Black are my feathers and black is my dash. Caw, caw, I do all day long. So, black is the beak. Exactly. See, the beak of the crow is black and the beak of the parrot is red. There is a difference between both of them, and most of them are eating different types of things. The eagle is eating the mice. The parrot likes guava and chilies. And the crow, if you have watched my first video, the lucky ones, isn't it? They can eat anything and everything. Let us go to the next riddle. Oh, we have got few more birds here. What is this bird saying? Coo-hoo, coo-hoo is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. So who am I? Coo-hoo, coo-hoo is my sound. Yes, it is the koel or the cuckoo. Oh God, look at this big bird. What is this bird saying? Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly. Vulture is what I'm called by. So where does it fly? High up in the sky. Correct. So this bird, it eats what? It eats dead animals. And it helps you to keep the place clean, because the dead animals, if they are lying here and there, it will give a dirty smell. Bad smell. Okay, but the vulture, it loves to eat those dead animals, and when it picks up the dead animals, that place becomes clean. So it is helpful to us, isn't it? Now let us see this lovely little bird which we can see near our house. My beak is pink, feathers grey, gooter-goo I do all day. In houses I make my home, a dash is how I am known. Yes, correct, it is the pigeon. Oh, the small little bird. What is this bird saying? Look at the beak. It has got a very sharp beak. Chota hai to so what? So what is this bird saying? My beak is very special. Why? I use it like a needle. What is needle? The sui dhaga ka sui. Stitching leaves, I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. Stitching, it can do the stitching, matlab सी सकता है. Who does the stitching? Yes, a tailor. So what is this bird called? This bird is also called a tailor bird. Now look at this bird. Oh, it is sitting on the tree. Let us see what this bird says. In trunk of trees, holes I make here. Hidden insects I intake. Intake means to eat. Tuk tuk tuk. I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. So this bird is the woodpecker. It makes holes in the tree, and its nest is also in the hole of the tree, and it eats the small insects which is found on the trunk of the tree. So all these birds are so very different and so very special. Now here we have a table. In the table, write the names of birds and tick the place where you saw them. I have got the names of the birds. If you do not know the names of any bird, then write how would you know, how you would know it. I have got the names of few birds here. The crow, the sparrow, pigeon, duck, and hen. These are all very common birds which we can see near our house. Now let us check, where do we see the crow? In the water? No, no, no. On the tree? Yes, yes, yes. On the ground? Yes, yes, yes. In the house? Yes, sometimes on the window, isn't it? Flying? Yes. Okay. Right, 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 and right. Sparrow. In water? Oh, no, no, no. But all these? On the tree? Yes. On the ground? Yes. In the house. Do not forget the lesson. Nina and the baby sparrows. And flying? Yes, sparrows can fly. Correct? Pigeon. Pigeon is also found on the tree. Yes, on the ground. In the house. Yes, many people, they keep pigeons in the house. Flying? Yes, pigeons can fly. Correct. Right, 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 and right. Now we have duck. In water? Yes or no? Yes, in water. On the tree? Oh, no, 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 no. On the ground? Yes, 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 yes. It comes out from the water and it walks on the ground also. In the house? Yes, some people, they keep it in the house. In the farms also we find the duck, isn't it? Flying? Oh, no, 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 no. The ducks cannot fly. So let us check, where have you put the right? Yes, in the water, on the ground, in the house also. And hen also cannot be seen in the water. It cannot fly, and so it cannot sit on the tree also. On the ground and in the house. So like this, you can take these birds, or you can write any birds which you want, like the cuckoo or the woodpecker, or you can take the eagle, the swan, the any bird, the tailor bird, any bird, even the penguin also you can take, owl also you can take. You can take any example. This is just an example to help you. Next, have you ever noticed that birds have different types of beaks? In video 1, I have shown you that birds have different types of beaks which helps them to eat. Now, see the beaks here. This is a parrot, it has got a red beak. A crow, it has got a black beak. And a peacock has a little curved beak. All the beaks are different. Now, do you know the names of all these birds? Yes, the first one is a parrot, the second one is the crow, and the last one is our lovely national bird, the beautiful one, the peacock. Correct. Let us go to the next one. Okay, now see this beak. Oh, such a curved beak. To tear the flesh. And this one to catch the fish. So what are these birds? Yes, this is an eagle. You're right. And the next one is a crane. You can see it is near the water, isn't it? Catch the fish. I love to eat the fish. And this one loves to eat the rat and the mice and the rabbit. Now here you can draw the picture of any bird. Let me see what I have drawn. Oh, I have tried to draw an owl. You like it? Okay, this is an owl. Let us see what we have next. Oh, I have got something interesting for you all. Something strange about the birds. Hope you can learn something from here. What is in the first picture? This is an owl. An owl can rotate its neck backward to a large extent. पूरा मुंडी घूम गया है ना सर घुमा सकता है owl. You see, when you touch the owl from the back, it can turn. Oh ma, lovely, isn't it? What is in the second box? Let us check. The bee hummingbird is the smallest living bird. Such a small, tiny little bird having the nectar from the flowers. The third picture, oh my, the hummingbird is the smallest bird and the ostrich is the largest bird. Opposite. One is small, one is large. An ostrich can run very fast. Okay? And the eggs of the ostrich is also very big. And the next one is the peregrine falcon. Ostrich can run very fast and falcon can fly very fast. Ostrich cannot fly. It is a big bird. You have seen my first video. Ostrich cannot fly, but it can run. And pelican, it cannot run like ostrich, but it can fly very fast. Something new, isn't it, for you to learn? Let us see what is there in the next picture. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Little backwards also it can fly. Backwards means piche ki taraf. Next one. The penguins, they are the best swimmers and the divers. Very fast they can swim. Okay? And dive also. Upar se they can jump into the water. Oh, pigeons. What can a pigeon do? Do you know that a pigeon is smart enough to recognize itself in the mirror? When the pigeon sees in the mirror, this is me, it says. Oh, this is me in the mirror. Okay, it can recognize itself. And the last one, the slowest bird on earth is the woodcock. Very slow. Okay, to move only it takes so much of time. Something new? You have learned something new? Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Let us see. This is another exercise from your book. We have to help these birds to reach their food. Like first one is the vulture. So the vulture will eat the bird, dead things, no? So you must have to go like this, then go like this, then come like this, then okay, from here there's a like this. Okay, so like this we have to do all. Let us see whether we can do or not. Okay, the vulture will eat the dead bird. What will the eagle eat? Perfectly, the eagle will eat the mouse. Okay, now the woodpecker, it eats the insects in the holes of the trees. Where is the insect? Yes, this last one is the insect. Correct. Parrot, I love to eat guavas and chilies. Look at the parrot. Oh, it has reached the food. And the pigeons, guturgu, 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 all the grains. The pigeons love to eat grains. So the final answer is this. Okay, the vulture, dead birds, eagle, rat or the mouse, the woodpecker, the insects from the tree, parrot, chili, and the pigeon, it likes to eat grains. Got the answers now? Let us see what we have here. There are some birds which can imitate our voice, copy our voice. Imitate means to copy. Whatever you say, even the bird can say. Do you know the name of any such bird? Yes, it is a parrot. You have to draw and color it also. I have also tried to draw, but I know you can do better than me. Please try and draw a beautiful parrot in your notebook. Let us see what I have here. Oh wow, the sounds of the birds. Can I hear them? Let us try the first sound. Oh yes. What is that? It is the sound of a guturgu, guturgu. Sound of a pigeon, isn't it? Check the next sound. Let us go to the next sound. Nice, no? You like it? Yes, it is a sparrow. Okay. Next one. Got it? No? Again? Yes, it is a duck. Okay, next one. Yes, that is an owl. That is an owl, sound of an owl. The next one. Check again. What is this next one? Again. Oh, let us see. It is the sound of a peacock. And the last two. Again. Okay. The penguin, the hen and the penguin. Liked it? Okay, you can also try some sounds on your own. Okay, and record them and listen. Other than birds, which are the other animals that can fly? I've given you some samples. You can write your own answers. Housefly, butterfly, honeybee, bat, the dragonfly, and the mosquito. You can write your own answers. Okay. Next, let us see. You have to make a paper bird. Yes, yes, yes. Please try it. Okay. There are many videos also in YouTube. You can check a video and please make a paper bird. Okay. Thank you. I hope you liked the video.